because prep is very important before doing application. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Gift. If you're new, please subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you'll be out every time I post. If you've been here, thank you for the love and support, and I appreciate you very much. This video has been postponed way enough because I haven't been feeling okay, blah blah blah, excuses. I don't want to get into that. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I get to do the nails. They are, I think, a week, 2 weeks if I'm not mistaken. 2 weeks. And look how good they look. I mean, they are lifted a bit. I'll do like a close-up video and put it right here, but they look good. Tip, because I'm not going to include it in the video. Application, you have to really be on spot on. It does determine the nails, how long they're going to last and all those things. So yeah, application is very important. I did go into it a bit, but I did not go on to prep, because prep is very important before doing application. You can do application, but if your prep is not good, your nail's gonna come off like in a week or two. Okay, so as I said, this is like 2 weeks, no nail has come off, no tips are hurting. A lot of people complain about their tips. If you apply it good, they won't hurt. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Another thing that I want to say is, yeah, I also got a few things from Temu. I'm going to show you guys those things first because they are nail items, and I am going to use some of the items that I got from the previous video so that I demonstrate how I do my own nails. Yes, I did my left as well, and I did not do too bad. They are a bit ruined because I'm a busy girl. I'm busy. But anyways guys, that's all I wanted to do. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and yeah. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys a couple of things that I got from Temu and Shein as well. So I'll put everything on the description box and also the links, because prices do change on Temu, so I cannot put the exact prices. I absolutely love this, and as a nail tech, I definitely recommend you getting this because the dust gets over you and all those things. So to protect your outfit and everything, just get that. These are great for designs. There's flowers in every color, obviously, and I got some foil as well, and I got some gems. Sorry, I can't pronounce it very well, but you get what I mean. And I also got this container. It's very good for putting your charms on it. And I got this, I think they're called wipes. Yeah, they're wipes. So they're very good for when you make mistakes. And I got some more gems. And I got these, I don't know what they're called, I forgot, but they're very good for, you know, putting your designs and everything. And I also got the slides I flipping love. So it's very easy to use it as an USB plug, and I actually plugged it on my power bank, and look at that baby. Yo, like that was light as fuck. And it's funny how everyone on my family wants it. So yeah, it's definitely a to go to. This is for acetone. It's very good for the wipes as well. And these are my charms. See why I have to get the containers, because they come in like small packages of plastic. And I also got these for my customers. They're very good to make sure that they come back. There's a loyalty cards. And I also got this pens. This I actually love. There are 4 of them: white, gold, silver, and black. And when you actually throw them on your nails, they do not come off. And when I say they do not come off, they do not. So this is me demonstrating and putting it on my nails to show you guys how they look. They look very well. So this is the black one. This is very pigmented. The silver one you can't really see, but it's there. And the gold one as well, you can't really see it, but if you look closely, I think it's my lighting, but if you look closely, it's like yellowish, but it's gold. Okay, just no, it's gold. Yeah, so this is me rubbing it off. Like, it did not want to come off. Yeah, it was very bad for me because my nails were done and now I had like to struggle to get them off, but
they are very strong and they do not come off easily, which is good. These are some tips that I got. These are nice, so you're gonna see in the upcoming video when I use them. And this also, it's for when the nails are done, for pictures. They're very cute and I love them. So I also got like a match. Is it a basket? I don't know what exactly it's called, but I'll put the name up. And I got this for like 180 if I'm not mistaken. In SA they go around like 3 to like 500 rand, so that's crazy. I got this for like 180 and this is absolutely nice. This is absolutely nice, and everything that I bought, I'm able to put it on this thing, and my things do not, get lost or anything. They stay in place. I'm able to put my gels and everything that I probably showed you guys that I'm gonna be using. So yeah, it was very easy to assemble. Here I was just putting on the wheels. It was very simple. It just took me like 5 minutes if I'm not mistaken, and I was done. So I split it up for you guys so that I don't waste you guys time. I wanted to make this straightforward. So yeah, that's the final look. I absolutely love it. So going forward, I wanted to show you guys how I do my nails. These are my natural nails. I actually had taken out some nails. So firstly, I want to clean them up because my cuticles were a bit built up. So I'm going to push them back and then cut the cuticles just like that. It is very satisfying, I don't want to lie. Then I actually went ahead and cut my nails because it's been a while since I've done so. And once that was done, I went ahead and filed them using my files. I didn't show this up, but yeah, I got this from Shein. These are very nice and sharp, and I think it's the same ones you would get in Indian stores, but this was very cheap. They were like 16 rand for a 5-pack, if I'm not sure. Then I went ahead and dehydrated my nails with some acetone. This was very simple, straightforward, and they were definitely dried up. Look at that, everything is looking good, clean. Then I used my tips. I reshaped them into what is it, stilettos or almond shape, yeah, between those thingies. Yeah, and then I went ahead and used my polymer cover pink, but I did mix it with a bit of a pigmented color, which was what is the color? I mixed a bunch of colors to make it more pink, but yeah, usually I used cover pink because it's very good as a base. Yeah, and I used some monomer from Planet Nails. And yeah guys, most of the things that I show in this video, I definitely showed on my previous video, which was uploaded I think a month ago. And I'm sorry I took too long to actually post this one, but I wanted to make a detailed video and I finally got the time to do so. So sorry about the taking too long. I applied my acrylic, and yeah, I definitely did nail prep. Definitely do nail prep before applying your acrylic. If you do not, it's gonna lift and it's gonna hurt you, and that's why a lot of people get hurt with the tips, because a lot of people complain about the tips and that they get hurt from them, so they avoid doing it or like doing like full nail on. So be careful and do your nail prep very well. I did not include it on the video, but if you guys want that, I can show you. This is mainly about application and the color, because I wanted to show you guys most of the items that I bought on the previous video using them, because I did say that I was going to show you guys on this video. So yeah, make sure that you apply your acrylic very straight, don't rush or anything like that. And when you're doing your own nails, it's very hard, especially when you're doing it on your right hand, because it's not that easy. But make sure you take your time, don't rush. Open a window please, or have some fresh air coming in, because these chemicals are very strong and you can get dizzy or anything like that. And my family always complains about the smell in the house, so I always make sure that I open up the door or windows and let some fresh air come in. Do not expose it to kids because it's very dangerous for them. but yeah guys, I hope you get the point. It's very straightforward. Applying your acrylic, make sure that I actually start from the tip. I start from the end going to the cuticles, so that's just me. But some people start from the cuticles going to, you know, the end of the nail. So my way of doing it is starting from the end of the nail to my cuticles. And yeah guys, I'm done just like that. Look how well I did. This was like my best application honestly. So we're gonna go ahead and file that down using my filer, and this is how it's looking. I love everything. I can mess up with my application, but when it comes to filing, I can never go wrong. Anyways, I went ahead and puffed my nails, and I got this from Shein as well. It's very cheap. Make sure you get like a bunch of them because it's like 12 rand. Then I went on with my bling girl. Yeah, this looked nice. This looked really nice. I went ahead and put it under UV light, and I used my glaze clear UV light LED, and then I also used the cuticle oil. Yeah, everything just looked so nice. And guys, we're done just like that. Imagine, we're done just like that. By the way, my brush, I actually got it from BLING Girl. It's a size 10 if you wanted to know. And yeah guys, that's it. If you want to add some charms, you can do that as well. This one looked so pretty. I wanted to put it on, but then I can't because I have, you know, a busy day and whatnot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, make sure to ask and I will reply definitely, even if it's a year later. Just comment. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.